Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. So in this video, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and show you guys how I actually created these plate inserts, plate chargers, whatever you want to call them. It's very simple. I'm still using the same program that I've always used, which is Publisher. You guys, I have not ventured off into Photoshop or any of that yet. So what you first want to do is, of course, insert your circle. So let's just go up here at the top, and you want to go to insert, and then from there, shapes, of course, and the shape that you want is going to be the circle, and then just drag it however big. It doesn't matter right now, because what you're going to do is change the height and width of it to the size that you need. So for the plates that I have just little 7.5 inch cake plates. I will leave the information for those in the description, the link, because I could purchase those off of Amazon. But the measurements for those is it needs to be 4x3 by 4x3. Of course, it's a circle, so it needs to be, you know, same height, same width. And then from there, you just go to shape, fill, go to picture, and whatever you have, you can just go ahead and put in there. For example, do I got something that I can just throw in there real quick? Yeah, let's just throw him in there like that. And then it would have, of course, it would have the little image on it. And then if you wanted to, you could go to insert, go down to the words. I don't know. Happy birthday. Who knows? And then, you know, just put it in your little image wherever you want it. Let's do it white with, I guess, black. Who knows? You know, you guys just get creative with it. But that's pretty much all you do. Very simple. Yeah. Alright, you guys, and I printed them out just on regular paper. This is nothing special, no special type of paper. Now normally I would laminate these and stick them on, but y'all, like, this was a last minute idea. The party is early, it's tomorrow, and I'm doing this in a hurry, but as you can see, they still are really nice, even doing it this way. And so I'm just going to very quickly show you guys what it is that I do. This is the plate. So of course this is the side that you want to show, and I'm just using some Elmer's glue stick, the purple kind. Y'all, I was so upset, like, I got the purple. But all you're going to do is put it on there, and what I do is I allow it to just dry. Because at first it's purple, and then, you know, it goes clear. So I allow it to dry. And as soon as it dries and it clears up, that's when I go ahead and I stick it onto the plate. So I just turn the plate upside down. I'm just going to go ahead and put it. Then, of course, you know, you just press on it. But yeah, you guys, it's on there, and that's what it'll look like. So again, this is just an idea to give you guys, and it's super easy, super quick, and it'll make like a huge impact on the party. So I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Slide the beat that you got.